Hey guys, welcome to ZigWheels. We've got some good news to bring you today because an exciting new bike has just been launched in India. The Triumph Tiger 800 has been a weapon of choice for Indian tourers for a while now, and its successor has finally landed on our shores. The new Tiger 900 has been launched with 3 variants on offer, so keep watching till the end of the video to find out how much each one costs. But first, remember to subscribe to the ZigWheels channel for more great automotive content and hit that little bell icon to be notified of all our future videos. So just like before, the Tiger is available in 2 variant families, the off-road focused rally variants and the more street-friendly GT variants. Here in India, we get to choose between the GT, Rally and Rally Pro variants. The last of these features some extra goodies like a quickshifter, auxiliary lights, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, things like that. The new 900cc motor isn't just a bored and stroked out version of the old 800, it's an all-new engine concept with a T-shaped crankshaft that gives it an uneven firing order. This in turn gives it a new exhaust track which makes it sound almost like a twin. Some might be disappointed with the unchanged power figure, but torque is now up by 8 Nm and it's made earlier in the rev range than before. Triumph has also worked hard on lightening the bike and the results are quite plain to see. Not only does the new Tiger 900 look slimmer and meaner, it's also about 8 to 10 kilos lighter than its predecessor, variant for variant. Other new bits include the rear subframe, which is now a bolt-on unit, which makes accidental repair cheaper and easier. And finally, we come to the price. The most affordable variant off the lot is the highway-friendly GT version, priced at Rs 13.7 lakhs. After this, you've got the more hardcore rally version with wire spoke wheels at Rs 14.35 lakh, and finally the Rally Pro with all its bells and whistles at Rs 15.5 lakh. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon.